NS61 is a smart lighting panel, which means that it has a built-in sensor which registers both daylight and also movement from people inside the room. NS61 is a really suitable solution if you want to have a unique energy saving, which means that you can basically, when it comes to renovation projects, achieve up to 70% in energy saving. Now, the different sensors which is available is the Zigbee EasyAir, which is the most common, but we can also have other sensors included, which is, for instance, the Casambi solution, where we can use the Casambi app to do a really interesting and easy programming. The Casambi and the EasyAir has both the solutions of making it possible to control the light through a wall switch, a wireless wall switch, and that is basically the most common way when we are talking about renovations. The NS61 is, as NS60, a panel light, and as for NS60, we use the same reflector, so the energy efficiency is really high, and we also have the same options when it comes to the front glass. The opal, which is almost milky white, and then we also have micro prismatic, which is low UGR. So all the same features that NS60 has, but just a little bit more smart, the NS61.